Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will click here on this window of Nova and you will click as you see. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again.